Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Vudu subscription and start watching movies and TV shows, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to vudu.com or download the Vudu app on your streaming device, smartphone, or tablet. Step 2. Click on Sign in or Create account if you don't already have a Vudu account. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a password for your new Vudu account, or log in with your existing credentials. Step 4. Once logged in, navigate to the Account or Settings section. Step 5. If you have a promotional code or subscription plan to activate, enter the code in the designated field and click Redeem or Apply. Step 6. If you are subscribing to a premium service, enter your payment information to complete the subscription setup. Step 7. Browse the Vudu library and select a movie or TV show you want to watch. You can rent, purchase, or stream content included with your subscription. Step 8. Your Vudu account is now activated and ready for streaming. Enjoy thousands of titles in HD and 4K quality on any of your compatible devices. You can manage your account and purchases through the Vudu app or website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.